Hello friends, welcome to Foutain. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 70T, a turquoise blue color cap transparent body fountain pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a turquoise blue color cap which has a silver ring and a silver clip portion, and it is a very long ring which denotes that it is a 70 model, and 71 model also this has the same ring, long ring. And in this clip there is a design is there, and the brand's name Wality was stamped in this body, and there is a spring like structure in the bottom of this pen and a very sharp design, metal sharp design at the both top and the bottom. And let me open this. The cap held on this body with a threading mechanism. To open you have to unscrew this cap, and this is number 5 nib which has a fine tip, gold plated one. And in this nib it is mentioned special Wality tipped fine. Fine is hidden here but it is mentioned, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 5 nibs in many brands. And usually pen enthusiasts will swap with Can Write nibs where we have a fine, medium and broad in this size. And let me give the measurement of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.1 mm and the body is 10.9 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 120.2 mm. With cap it is 133.6 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using a pouches and all, the same aesthetic, same shininess will last forever. And you can check for the pouches spares in our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4 pen pouches with different colors, with different slots, and we can do engraving on the pouches too. While you're ordering, you can mention in your order itself about the engraving. And the entire weight of this pen is 17 grams. As the holding area's diameter is a small one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers too. And also please note, as this is a transparent body, please do not use primary color ink so that it will create a stain on this wall. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it blocks the ink's passage in the feeder. So we'll get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder's grooves. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. This has a very long feeder, so be careful while you're removing. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush and clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And all the threads are turned to worn out. To increase the life of the thread, please apply a silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you are open and close the grip area during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. And also, few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down with using your nails or any small blades. If you do this, the space is created in between the tines, so you will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And let me give the writing sample of this pen with our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Wow, super smooth writing. very good writing. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.